Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Yves once here again. So today we're gonna try the hard wax from Dermawax. So I got this from Amazon and it was about 16 euros. And as you can see, it is 1 kilogram. So I'm gonna open it up and I'm gonna show you how it looks like. And I got this in green tea. You know, they have different flavors, but I chose green tea. And as you can see, they look so cool. Now, one thing about this wax is that it gets everywhere, and when it falls down, you would have to pick them up with your vacuum cleaner, or you have to pick them up with your fingers. Now, you know, when you buy hard wax, we have different kinds, and we have some very low quality hard wax that I have bought myself some time ago. So to check if it's a good one, I'm just gonna take one of the beads and I'm gonna press it with my nails. You can press it with, you know, anything hard. Now, a good hard wax isn't brittle. And when you try to push it in, it shouldn't break into chips or it shouldn't chip away. It should just, you know, form a little mark. You know, it should just form a mark inside, but it shouldn't break away. So as you can see, this did not chip away, so we are on a good path. I'm gonna get a metal container and I'm gonna put the beads inside. If you've got the heating machine, the better, but I don't have it here, so I'm just gonna use the old style. I'm gonna put it on fire. Now, I must say, do not put it in the microwave cause it's gonna melt alright, but after some few minutes, it's gonna harden up again. Heating it on low fire is the better option. So as you can see, it is melting up and we're almost done here. As you can see, it is all melted up right now, and look at this. It's so thin and it's so light. At this point, girl, do not touch your skin with this cause it's gonna burn. It is too hot at this consistency and you would want to wait a little bit more. Okay, so as you can see, it's a little bit thicker now and it's not as hot, so this is okay for your skin. So I'm just going to show you with my arm, and as you can see, my arm is a little bit hairy. So I'm just going to take a little bit of the wax and put it on my arm. I'm going to put it in the direction of the hair growth. So I'm just going to wait for it to, you know, dry up a little bit. Now, since you're not using any strips, you know, it's a little bit difficult to get the tip to pull. So you would have to use your finger to raise it up a little bit. Another option is making it a little bit thicker at the end so that you can just hold the, you know, the thicker side and just pull it off. So as you can see, it is dried right now, so I'm going to come in with my nails and raise the end. This is going to give me something to pull onto. So I'm just going to strip it off. Now, I must say, with the hard wax, you don't necessarily have to strip it off so fast. You can do it slower and it's still going to take out the hair. So as you can see, it's taking out the hair, and this is, you can see the hair in the wax. And you can see my skin is taking out every hair. Now, as you can see, this is the strip, and you can see it's not brittle. It's still, you know, kind of malleable. So it's a sign that it's a very good wax. And even if you leave it on for some time, especially if you're new to using hard wax, you can still put it off, okay? So let's just do it again, and this time I'm gonna do it a little bit thinner. It can be thin, it can be thick, it's just up to you. If it's thinner, it dries, you know, earlier, and if it's thicker, it takes, you know, a little bit more time to dry. If you make it thinner, you can save more of your wax because, you know, it's a little bit pricey as compared to the soft wax. Also, with the hard wax, if you think you missed the hair or something, you can go there again with the wax to put it off. It doesn't irritate your skin because it does not stick to your skin. It sticks to the hair. That is why it is less painful. Now, finally, I'm going to try using, you know, a very thick version, okay? I'm gonna make it very thick. So as you can see, the wax is cooling down and it's getting thicker, and you can use it at this consistency also. It's also very good for beginners, okay? The only thing is that I'll have to wait a little bit more for it to dry. And I must confess, as compared to the, thinner one I did before, the thicker one does not hurt as much, okay? You can try it for yourself to see. Just that you waste so much of the product. So as you can see, these are all the strips I used, and as you can see, they are not brittle. Even though it has dried for more than 30 minutes, it is still, kind of malleable. And this is an example of a good hard wax. You don't want to get the other one which looks so brittle and feels brittle. You are gonna find yourself wanting, especially if you are new. Now, what's gonna happen if it's brittle is that if you put it on your body, especially for beginners, and if you don't pull it off in time, you cannot pull it off again, and it's gonna break into millions of pieces, and you're gonna find yourself wanting. It happened to me some time ago, and it's a very bitter experience. You're gonna find yourself wanting, so you would want to avoid these types of, cheap hard wax. If you're new to this type of waxing, I recommend you get the good brand. I must say this is very cheap as compared to others. I have seen $60 and $50 for about 500 grams of hard wax, but this is 1 kilogram, and 16 euros is so cool. I must say this is so great for the bikini area. I think I'm gonna leave the link in the description box if you want to check it out. I got it from Amazon. So those of you who are afraid of pain, like, this is your best option. If you start using this, you're not even gonna want to use the soft wax anymore. And I must say it is not painful at all. On a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being the very painful, I will give this about a 3 because it's not painful at all. Okay guys, so I hope you liked it, and I hope you're gonna give it a try. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you've not subscribed, and don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Until next time, I'm gonna see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.